Guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to the channel. It's still your favorite person, Cindy CJAY. You guys, this is a travel vlog. Is it? Yeah, it's a packing and travel vlog because we are going to be packing shortly and we are going to be traveling in this vlog as well. We are traveling to Manchester tomorrow and my birthday is this week. My birthday is on Thursday. My birthday is this week, yeah. So we are traveling to Manchester tomorrow. We are going to Manchester for another reason, but I was telling my husband that since we are going to Manchester, I can as well celebrate my birthday in Manchester. So fingers crossed. I'm not sure, but I think we'll be doing a little birthday ceremony for my birthday in Manchester. We're not staying long. We'll be staying for like 2 days and then we are back. Today is Sunday, by the way. I went to work earlier this morning and came back couple of hours ago. So we want to pack now. We are leaving for Manchester tomorrow morning, being Monday, yeah. And then we stay in Manchester Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We'll be coming back on Wednesday. So that's 3 nights, yeah, or is it 2 nights? I don't know. I'm so excited to start thinking about that one now. So yeah, we've sorted out the clothes we'll be traveling with. So we are going to be packing now, and yeah. So pack with us to Manchester. Cyndycjaysignature. Soph.
Yes, Mama.
Come on then. Go and bring your box. So bring your box.
I'm here.
Yeah. Whose box is this?
Mine.
All these things are still there. You gave me a scissors. Let me take this set off.
Okay. Scissors. Sorry.
So yeah, it's off. Is there another tag? Guys, are you guys excited?
Yay!
We are going where on a vacation.
Sun in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams.
So guys, we want to put some nail polish.
That looks like a customer. Same customer.
Hi guys, good morning. So guys, it's travel day today to Manchester. The guests are still sleeping. I'll wake them up now. Hubby is on his way back from work. I don't know how that man is going to do it. I just don't know. He'll just come back from work now, maybe rest 2 hours and then off we go. It's going to be 3 hours plus drive. Hey babes, wakey holiday house today. Were you awake already and watching your tablet and then went back to sleep? Come on, girls. Come on. Wakey. Oh my God. People don't want to go on the holiday. See her so jumped up. Me, you don't want to go on the holiday.
I want to go on the holiday.
Are you excited? Are you guys excited? All right, come brush your teeth to get ready before Daddy gets back, okay?
Aww.
Come on then, jump up.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself.
So guys, we are all set and we'll be leaving in 2 seconds. So this is Soso's suitcase.
My suitcase.
That's Adeze's suitcase.
They're mommy's.
And that's mine.
Daddy, make sure it's
So-
not this time. Yeah, make sure.
Outfit check.
Check.
Outfit of the day. Just my New Balance top, my Knots face cap, my bag, my jot,
Daddy,
and my New Balance shoes.
With my mind, gotta get out of here
Vlog.
tonight.
Let's say hi guys. So where are you going?
Myself, it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out.
So guys, we've done over an hour and we have extra 2 hours 17 minutes to drive more. Long drive, I know. So yeah, so far so good.
Get me out of now.
So guys, we are these services moto. I think it's called moto services. So we're so tired. We just want to stretch our legs, maybe kiss, we go down, have a quick wee, buy a cold drink and continue our journey to Manchester. So come on guys, let's go.
To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'm so
Yes, we are here in KFC. We just want to grab 1 or 2 to eat. Daisy is looking so tired. I don't know why she's tired, but yeah. Probably going to buy a few things. Basically, what to eat and drink, and then we'll continue.
the more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now.
Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. So guys, we are in Manchester now. We're making our way to the hotel. So far so good. The journey was lovely, the journey was amazing.
Cross the roundabout and take the third exit, A57N, towards Sheffield. Take the exit, A57N, back in and way, then take the exit.
You go to cut and start.
Bring me back to where we started out.
So guys, we just arrived now, making our way to our hotel. Okay. Just parked at the car park. So we're making our way to the hotel.
More I'm singing, take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out.
So quick room tour. Ah, this is Ada and Soso's bed. Ah,
Obviously,
there they were
princess.
saying.
Yeah,
That's the view.
don't go anywhere. Let me have the TV.
Hi guys. Hi, guys.
This is the TV.
Yeah, there's another mirror here.
This is very good.
So this is the washroom. Bathtub. Got some towels there. There's the bathtub. There's a big mirror here. So this is the sink to wash hand. And there's the toilet right there.
Mommy, look.
Yes, Sophie. Yes, sweet son.
paper.
Yes, sweet son. Okay. See how excited they are. So the journey was amazing. It was good. It was cool. We are here now. We here. Right. So guys, we are here in Manchester. We are right in the city center. Yeah. So Hubby and the kids, they went out to buy a few things, like some snacks for us to munch on much later in the evening. And I want to bring out the clothes I'll be using for my birthday. Come on, guys. Right about now. So I want to sort out the clothes I'll be wearing for my outing tomorrow. I'll just hang them up there. Yeah, so I'll just hang them up there and have my shower much later. Get into my pajamas. I don't know when the girls will be back. They already took them out. But anywho, yep. These two. Yeah. It still has a tag on it. So yeah, I'm wearing these two this night. Ooh. So this is what I'm wearing for my birthday. It's a very short dress, so it's very short, you guys. It's very short, like here. That's how short it is, but yeah, I like it and I'm gonna wear it.